Good call. Nova, listen to that chop, man. It's pretty nice, yeah. What year is it?
65.
65 Chevy Biscayne wagon. Look at it. Wow. That's cool. That's 1965. Got written all over it, doesn't it? Wow. No AC, I take it.
No, that's factory AC.
It's got factory AC. Look at that. Yeah. Wow.
Factory AC.
So was this like the top of the line for the Chevrolet, or was this middle?
Biscayne? I don't know. No,
Yeah,
I think Impala was top.
Impala was top, yeah.
This game was the cheap one.
The cheap one, and it still had AC. I guess if you're carrying your family, if they could put AC in it, they would,
Well,
yeah.
they had options. You could.
Right, yeah. Cool.
You could get the cheap brand, then you get the AC, but if you want.
Right.
So.
That's a cool car. Look at that.
It is. I hear it.
Riding on the street, you know.
Oh yeah, well. If you ever cruise the boulevard or something, you get a whole bunch of cars. It's fine.
You know, when I was a kid, growing up in California.
Hooters and Hotrods on a Sunday morning. It's the first Sunday morning of June, and we're watching the cars roll in this morning. Photographers are out, and this is a beautiful car, man. Wow. 32. Good morning. Oh, wow, man, that is incredible. Beautiful car. That is gorgeous. 57 Chevrolet, just crazy, man.
Yeah, it is. Not this time of year, though. Well, what? It's over.
Wow, that's pretty cool, man. What year is it?
66.
That is pretty cool. Look how long that car is.
58 years old.
Yes, it is. That is cool. Wow. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you? That's pretty cool right here, man.
Thank you.
I was told you've had this car for 52 years.
52 years now.
Wow. Was it new when you bought it?
No.
How old was it?
It's a 65.
So
It was 6 years old.
how old was it? Wow.
No.
Wow, that is cool, man. I've been told you have some quite incredible stories. Would you like to tell me one?
Yeah, it's cars. Been through a lot over the years.
Right? Okay.
You know, and,
Your name?
Jerry Porsche.
Jerry
Just like the
Porsche.
car.
Oh, cool. Awesome. I'm Alan. Drive by cars with Alan. Nice. Cool.
Pleasure. You know, like I said, the car. I did the autocross stuff for years. You know, and a little road racing with it.
Really?
It was kind of pretty hard on the car, you know.
Uh-huh.
So, and then one night I put in a ditch, you know, about 80 miles an hour.
Holy cow.
Yeah, so drunk. You know.
We all have those stories.
Back in those drinking days.
Yes, sir. We all have those stories.
So
Yeah.
I was set in storage for like 10 years, you know, and finally I sobered up and got it back out and
Awesome.
repainted it. But I painted it green,
Really?
yeah, British racing green,
Uh-huh.
and drove around like that for years. And then we used to live down here in Florida, and I moved out to New Mexico, took a job out there. And over the years, I kept saying, you know, I was at a car show, a Sunbeam show, and the guy says, well, too bad you painted the wrong color. And I said, really? And he said, yeah. He said, on your VIN code here,
Okay.
right here, there's number 1,
Number 1.
is a black car.
Okay. All right.
Black cars, they didn't make that many of them. So,
Ah.
and so I
Well,
said,
you know, there's another one that runs around here.
there's a couple of them down.
Yeah, yeah. But still, that's cool.
So then I said, well, if I ever gonna paint it, you know, I'll paint it back to black.
Black, yeah.
But the car's been, it had a 363 cubic inch World Products motor in it. It's got a power glide in it.
Wow.
Nitrous on it. It had twin turbos on it for a while.
Yeah.
The car went 920s, 148
Holy cow.
down over Bradenton.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why all the cages in it.
Well, yes, I can understand that, yeah.
Inserted 850s.
Wow.
It's got a Chrysler 3/4 rear end. It's got a power glide in it.
That's incredible, man. Thank you for sharing this with me.
Yeah.
This is awesome, man. Now, I love coming to the shows to see stuff just like this, man. Wow.
So it's just a driver now.
Well, yeah.
Got a good stereo system in it now.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's awesome, Tom.
All right.
We will see you on the road. Tom here is going on the power tour. I'll be going on the power tour. Also, I'll be going to Bowling Green, Nashville. I'll be going to Louisville, going up there to hang out with my daughter. She lives in Nashville, so ought to be a good time. Power tour 2024.
That's got to be close to SEMA shit to me. I know SEMAs are a lot more than 25 grand.
Little Levi's driving up another badass number. Wow. How long you had this?
I've been working on it for a while.
Have you really?
Work and everything else. Get it back on.
Wow. That is cool. The man has a couple cool cars, and this is obviously one of them. Wow. Do you run this down the street?
Yeah. It's a street car, but I run it on the track.
Where at?
This is the one I did JJ's arm drop with down in Alabama 2 and 3 months ago. That's when I blew the transmission out. It's kind of one of these deals where it's pretty good for a classic car on the track, but it's a little bit much for the street. It's kind of like there where it's no good for each one of them. You know, it just don't do no good.
Holy cow. That is cool. What does that stand for? What does it stand for?
Can't say.
Friendly Joe Biden?
Yes, friends of Joe Biden.
Friends of Joe Biden. You heard it here first.
Oh, they're gonna park him. He's gonna park there.
Yeah, apparently he got in touch with Dale. I know.
Oh.
Gotta close the door.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why he's
Got it
not.
trapped open.
So it won't close?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Take the rat out of it.
Shout out to Mr. Morris. Beautiful car. Absolutely incredible. There he is, Mr. Morris. How are you, sir?
I'm getting there.
Awesome. That is just a beautiful car. It's a 54 Chevrolet. Wow, check out this Cadillac coming up through here. Absolutely gorgeous Cadillac. That is beautiful. That is a big car. It's got a little rattle to it. But say, man, that's pretty impressive.
Thank you.
What year is it?
55.
1955 Cadillac. Wow. That is cool. And right behind that is an SRT leading.
You're telling me stop this, but there was a dump truck coming.
Oh no.
So when I hit the side of the dump truck.
Holy cow.
Going like 60.
This man gets around. I saw him yesterday at the flea market.
I'm the bouncer. Drive around.
Wow. Smacked the side of a dump truck.
Dump truck, going about 60.
Holy cow.
Oh, really? That struck me in the eye. I mean, I blew up. I've done all kinds of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But
Glad to see you here, though.
it got so bad. Yeah, the nerve tension so bad.
Holy cow. Wow.
Get an email. You know?
We have us a, what, a 70, 71 Camaro, full front bumper. Nice car. It's got the round tail lights on it.
That was my mom's car. That's what I want. I would trade my car. I would trade with anything if I could find a silver one with black stripes.
Really? With those round tail lights. What an iconic rear end. That is cool. Then we got a Dodge pickup rolling by. This show is packed today.
Yeah, it's awesome. I'm gonna walk.
All right, Mike,
Down
good
here.
seeing you up and about.
I see. You ever get bored? Swing by the house. That's
All
where I'm
right,
at.
you got it. Great show going on here today. 1976 Eldorado. Wow. Here comes this Trans Am. Look at how much rust is on this Trans Am. I'm sure it just came right out of the barn. But that's a pretty cool. That's a turbo Trans Am. Pontiac turbo Trans Am. Where'd you find that thing at, man?
I've had it for 15 years, man. Bought up a guy in Claremont.
Wow.
Yeah, rebuilt the motor, redone the suspension.
That's pretty cool.
Thank you.
Awesome. See ya. Wow. Tight corner right here, I tell you. Here comes that Fox body through again. No spinning the tires now. No spinning the tires.
You see my car? You think I want to do that?
No, no, you're right. I agree. Pay too much for that rubber, right? That's cool. Oldsmobile Toronado. That is pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. What year is it? It's a 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado. Absolutely incredible. Got a chop to it too, listen to that. Hey, how you doing? Wow. Chrysler 300. Watch yourself, Tom. See, these people are always getting it. They don't care. They just walk right in front of your camera. Sounds like a 4-cylinder, don't it?